Shumbaras bells there on the EP. Maita wata ku. I can see you are there. We miss you. Miss you too, guys. Clara Lobeni, how are you? Linda Brooks, long time for sure. The EP. My skull, Linda, and the EP. Veronica Mutiti, how are you? A very long time indeed. Peter Peterson, how are you? Titenta Brandi Nyambazo, how are you? Rachel Mugwadi, hey, long time indeed. Yeukai Makuvaro, how are you? Auntie Lillian, how are you? Thank you so much for the likes. Nox Zulu, how are you? Anzina Nox Zulu, Sisimeli Haro. Hello Nox, how are you? Liberty Shingai Tuna, how are you? Kumbize, Joyce Piri, in the EP. Faina Tatira, Auntie Selina, how are you? Auntie Selina is doing good. Long time, everyone. Aganisha Vio Chikwana. Wow. Can't even pronounce that name. Murisei Makadini. Mona Lisa Mpofu, how are you? Oh, thank you so much for the love. Thank you so much for the love. Laina, Ndamboku Moresa Iwe, Josephine, how are you? Shailene, how are you? I can see the love. I can see the love. Thank you so much, guys. Taga you amwi. Kuna Auntie Selina Mnoso, after a very long time again. Lorraine, how are you? Grace Andrea, how are you? Vatete, Vachiworo, Deyip. Oh, thank you so much, guys. I love you back. Love you back. Thank you so much, guys. Blessing, how are you? Mimi Deyip, Brenda Chisango, how are you? Carol, how are you? Mickey Van Godek, how are you? Blessing Guvise, Auntie Selina is doing good. Auntie Selina is doing good. Compliments of the new season, guys. Takapetsera kuonana kudhara zveshuwa. Tanya Inclusive Wardrobe, how are you? Ko Tanya Inclusive Wardrobe, haungoti dressawo here for the ball. Tanya Inclusive Wardrobe, ndi dressawo Auntie Selina for the ball anyway. Muda kuti vaende vachingosiririsa nekunzwisa tsitsi here, musadaro anyway ana Tanya. Milka Mudzipurwa, daughter, how are you? Dorothy Mademe, how are you? My P, Murisei, guys. Murisei, long time indeed. Layo, how are you? Ingoshedzana kuti Auntie Selina vauya after a very long time. And she might not even be back in the longest of a time as well. And ndikukudza yangu zviri kuitika. Ndinokudza zviri kuitika. Maitaku Judy, how are you? Sharon Mashija Deipi, Josephine Rumbidzaichi Vinge, how are you? I missed seeing you, Auntie Selina, how are you? Josephine, I missed you guys too. Believe you me, I did. I'm doing good, thank you. Come to my inbox, Auntie Selina. Tanya, get to a screenshot. Auntie Mazona Mrima Witness. And the Tanya Inclusive Wardrobe. Uy. Let me pin a comment. Let me pin a comment. You can follow her and go and see what she has. Jandanzi uyaiku inbox and shine down shino tarisa SIS MELLY, how are you? Shino tarisa kuti kune iku inbox chekuti ndingangopiho chekuti ndingangopfekawo paningirikini pa bola pa wedwe. Nadia, how are you? Ayo ndiri nani zvokwadi. Oh, hanzina Milka dress my auntie Mildred Saidi, how are you? Tanya Inclusive, ndanzi ndiuye kuseri uku. Ndanzi ndiuye kuseri atarise kuti wardrobe kwake kunei chekudressawo Auntie Selina for the ball. Sabelo Shingai Mbuli, how are you? Murisei my diaries, murisei. Share this live or tag someone. Hanzi na SIS MELLY ndiri kuuyawo Tanya. Tanya hanzi ndiri kuuyawo kuinbox ikoko. Tiri kuuya Tanya, dress our auntie please. Thank you so much SIS MELLY. Loveness Gaondera, how are you? I'm doing good, thank you. Tag someone. Tag someone. Ball. We want to talk about the June ball. We want to talk about Brita Beans. How are you? Trakutaura nezve June ball. Trakutaura nezve June ball. That is what we want to talk about. Ndikangoti zviminutes mbichana. And then we get into our program. Vamwe vanogona kuzoionerawo pamberi. Okay. All right. The name is Auntie Selina. I'm just here to facilitate our chairperson, who is our event. Tinotona event planner when we particularly planner event. We have got an event planner, so we are banking on her to pull this. Saka ndiye wandicha eda pano achauya kuzotaura ne our first ever United Kingdom ball. We have got people as far as Australia coming. We have got 1 or 2 people as far as America coming. Canada, we might have 1. Ku Africa, kune vakati, kana vakange vasvika, muchange muchivaona, vamwe vacho munotovaziva, vakange vauya muchange muchivaona pa ball pedu apa. They are coming to grace. Tanya Inclusive can dress us na SIS MELLY. Atirikuya. Aku inbox Tanya. We are coming. Tanya is a wholesaler. Saka vane hembe, varikuda kutenga hembe dzavo dziya. Follow page ra Tanya hiro. Muchanyatsoona ndakadresswa kana kuti SIS MELLY vakadresswa na Tanya. Ndopa muchazobvuma kuti kune hembe. I'm yet to see and see what Tanya has in store for us. Asi ndinodzoka ndichikuudzai. Akandirasisa, ndinodzoka still ndichikuudzai kuti andirasisa. Thank you so much, Tanya. Much appreciated. Tinotenda. As I said, we are here to talk about our first ever United Kingdom ball. Okay, within our ball, our event planner is going to come and give you details and nitty-gritties of zvirikuitika. But it's also we are saying with our ball, we are running our own race. We are not in any competition. Anamkomamo boys vanenge varipo vakomana indakatomirirawo kuti kana ndakusumukawo ndakuenda ku stage ndinotobatsirwawo namkomamo boys, saka ndichasenerera pana mkomamo boys because inini ndiri kuda munhu anonditsigira, saka ndiri kutoona mkomamo boys vachitondi asha kuenda kunhingirikini uko panenge pakaipa vakomana. Some of us, so many things that are going to happen at that event. It's something of a lifetime. It's something that we are going to experience for the first time. We are running our own race on this ball. We are not in any competition with anyone. Saka ukadecide kuuya wakapfeka keteni rako, as long as you feel comfortable neketeni rako rawakapfeka, it's okay. Ndozvatiri kuda, chatiri kungoda kufara chete. That is what we want. Atisikuda munhu anoita competition nemumwe munhu. In our ball, hatina kana VIP, we don't have anything of that. Everyone is going to be at par on that day. Ndisingapedze nguva, regai ndiudzei our event. The event is in the United Kingdom, ku Birmingham on the 24th of June. But let me add our event, a proper event planner, kuti anyatsokuudzai zvizere zvinenge zvichiitika ipapo. Auntie, where are you? Auntie Dani, where are you? Vakomana ndagarisa pa live inini. Andichaziva kuti zvinoedwa. My way. Okay, I know. Auntie Dani, where are you? You haven't requested. Auntie Dani, request I. Auntie Danai, our event ad. Let me see if I can add through this. No, you need to request Auntie Dani. Okay, yeah, I'm able to add here now. She has requested. I'm able to dial. Without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, here is our event. The person was unable to join because of technical issues. Auntie Dani, can you try again, please? Imbo budai mudzoke, Auntie Dani. Auntie Dani budai mudzoke. I can't add you because of technical reasons. I'm not sure what technical reasons they are talking about. Gogovana Ta, how are you? Kwadirwa sugar, UK yadir. Gogovana Ta, I'm hoping to meet you. Gogovana Ta, I'm hoping to meet you. I hope you are coming. Auntie Dani budai mudzoke. Auntie Dana budai mudzoke. Budai mudzoke mu request futi Auntie Dana. I'm waiting for you. Tirukuti isusu musiwoyo weball. Uya nema tennis yako. Uya nema slippers yako. Nekuti tichaita moment ya tichakanganwa tichisa musoro pasi nemakumbo mudenga. Tichinakidzwa zvekunakidzwa zvekuwamainakidzwa izviya. But what we are saying on this event is, when you come, do not think anyone is more important than the other. We are all going to be the same. We do not have a VIP table. Please not. We have got so many people varikuya vachiti varikuda VIP table. We do not have that. Auntie Danai, I'm waiting for you. I'm waiting for you, Auntie Danai. Hatina VIP table. Tinenge takangofanana. We are all very important in this event. We are all very important. Those that are in the group, they know what is going on. Murkuti add, how do I just add, like, reply, mute, sticker? No, you need to request. My tower, you need to request. Try and request again, my tower. Try and request again. Try to call. It means I have to go and take an, let's hope it will. Ask my tower to join the bro. If they accept, they will join on the video. On the audio. Okay, Ed. Let's keep our fingers from the event planner yourself. It's saying it's adding. Inenge ya failure futi. I don't know what is happening. Inenge ya failure futi. Let me see what I can do. I can see a whole lot of people. Let me see if I can pick you up from there. Bear with me, please. Bear with me. Let me see if I can pick you up from here. Otherwise, I can see everyone, but I can't see her. I can see everyone, but I can't see her. My tower. No? Ana Auntie Lilian, Ana Shumparesi, Ndrukuwawana, Ana Anakini. I can see them. Ana Mai, Ana James, Ana Nyasha, I can see them. And the very person that I want, I can't even see them. Ntodiko. Oh. Okay, I'll have to go and take my other phone so that we can do it via phone. I would have loved to join me. Whilst I take my phone, Auntie Dani, please try requesting again. I'll take your phone. Okay, I can see there is a request. Sorry about that, ladies and gentlemen. Let me try one more time. Accept. Add. It's adding. It's adding. Sakatati hatina very important person. On that duo of ours, we don't have a very important person. It's saying adding. It's saying adding. It's saying it's adding. Okay, I think it's not Twitter. I think we are going to but briefly, if you can see, and registration, can you see this? These are all unopened. And can you see how many people are yet to be registered still? I'm now left with 532 people. Can you see? And if Vuri until the register, and if Vuri ndikangovhura chete yatofa yakalota maitawa iri kuramba. Let me see if I can call you on this number. Let me see if I can call you on this number, and then we can do it that way. Okay, your phone is not registered. No. Auntie Danny, have you got a pen? It's still adding up. And can someone write this number for me so that Auntie Danny can pick it up and we can phone each other? It's 44 77 48 33 08 01. 44 77 48 33 0801. My tower, if you can call that number, please. My tower, if you can call that number, please. Let me see. Now. Okay. Actually, I've got your number. Let me call you. I've got your number here. Oh. Can you see I'm out of touch? Okay. I've got it now. Though it's still adding. Hey, Auntie Dani, how are you? Mtirinani irikuramba kuedda, and it's still even saying adding up to now. Saka,
I couldn't even see kuti mandidjoin. Suppose you have to send a notification. Saka ndinakuona the second notification.
Hamuna kuiona. Okay, it's
I think all about network.
Yeah, I think so, because per live ichiri kutongoti adding ndaicancela now. Antidani ndimi event planner where the ball that is going on in the United Kingdom on the 24th of June in 2023. The floor is all yours. Tell us more. What is happening? Who is coming? What are we supposed to be doing? Which phone numbers are we supposed to be using to call people? Tell us more.
Okay. Yes, the ball is still going on, and we are so happy kuti we are doing this here in the UK for the first time. And ndinohopa kuti vanhu vese muchakwanisa kuuya. Ndozoti zvakaoma, asi our wish is mese mukwanise kuuya, whether uri mukuru, whether uri mudiki to the age of 18, whether uri muwheelchair, we are expecting you. Musiwo unorwarira kuball, handiti? So I see we are hoping kuti our host will be SIS MELLY and the other ladies or gentlemen vari kubva ku South Africa. And I understand and I believe kuti so far I was told kuti we've got about 10 people who are coming from Africa, which is quite good. it's quite a good number for us to be hosting. But nevertheless, we on this day, like you said, Auntie Selina,
oh, you actually said we are expecting 10 people. I was about 5 people who are organizing. 10. They are very welcome. That would be very nice.
10 people. Ndakaudzwa nekashiri kangu kuti kashiri akataura kuti 10 vari kuuya. Saka I'm just hoping kuti we'll be hosting this then, not kuti tinyatsofara. Vachono UK, and they'll make the most out of it, out of their visit.
Okay.
Musuyu, we are hoping, and I would like to apologize first anyway. Unfortunately, we are not allowing kids on this day. We had several phone calls. Vanhu vachivhunza kuti ko wangu mwana ari pamakumbo ndokwanisa kuya naye because I'm still breastfeeding. Vamwe vachiti wangu anozvifambira, vamwe vachitaura kuti ndashayiwa childminder. But remember guys, we've got 4 months. 4 months dzatakupa idzi ndedzekuti mutsvage machildminders. Kune vana vari pamabreast vanoita breastfeed, musiwo wanika anombomwawo bhodhoro, handidzi motodzidzisa kabhodhoro musiwo, because venue yedu hatisi kubvumirwa vana. That's why tiri kuti no kids. There is so many dangers. Alcohol is permitted in these premises. Saka kana pane doro pese, to be honest, it's not a good idea. 1, 2, time yedu yatiri kupedza vana pamutemo wemuno muEngland, vana vanofanira kunge vabva pavenue by 10 o'clock. Isusu tiri kupedza makuseni emuSwesandi. Tiri kupedza makuseni emuSwesandi na 2 a.m.
Wow.
But tinogona kutoti kana zvanakidza stereki togona kupusha to 4 a.m.
Okay.
Saka time iyoyo haisi time inobvumirwa pamutemo kuti vana vange vari in this place. Saka for that reason, and tinenge tine disco, tinenge tine ngoma, vana vadiki nenoise inenge iripo, it's not ideal.
Okay, murikuti tinenge tine ngoma, saka tienda both ways, kuchirungu nekuchivanhu tiri kubata to cater for all the people.
Yes.
Okay.
Uyu, vano deliver in traditional, you'll be catered for. Anama piano, you'll be catered for. Then gospel, you'll be catered for. Saka, munhu wese ane a little bit of a piece on this ball. So, kana uchizoti unofarira ngoma, musiwo wotouya nematenesi ako, woita zvengoma zvechiti chaizvo.
I like what you are talking about, and you have incorporated and included vanhu vane mabeliefs akasiyana ekuti vanoda zvengomawo munouya muchinzwa and then vana ana mapiano netuchembere munouya you are catered for. Saka kunenge kune kabalance kezvese ka.
Yes, that's what we are aiming for, kuti balance. And we would like kana tine ma-artists kana kuti vamwe vanhu vanenge varimo vari madiaries, especially madiaries, because this is something which we are funding ourselves tese as diaries, because tiri kubhadhara mari dzakafanana. Kana pane mudiaries anenge aripo achizoti inini pane chamasiya asi ndinoitawo ichocho, you are still welcome kana chinhu ichocho tisati tanacho kuti tikuede among the artists or the crew, ichatipa something on that day.
Okay, so you're saying those that have got something that they can offer in terms of entertaining people, and they know they are around here, they can get hold of you, and you can talk.
Yes, they can go get hold of me, they can go get hold of Auntie Selina, and they can get hold of Auntie Marita. vanhu vese ivava ndataura phone numbers avo aripo paflyer, and flyer has been going on. We are going to be having another official flyer richabuda anytime this week. This official flyer richangokupai a glimpse of who are the artists who are coming vanenge varipo, and nahost wedu SIS MELLY kuti vanenge varipo that official flyer. Flyer ratakakupai pekutanga, it was a flyer rekuti mukwanise kuziva zviri kuitika, mokwanisa as well kutanga kubhadhara madeposit enyu. But our official flyer rekuti ringe richicirculate all over the place, kana kuti rinozokwanisa kana kushandiswa kana kuma offices arinofanira kuenda, that flyer will be coming out anytime this week.
And Dani, can I take you back to nyaya yevana? Kuri kunzi hapana doro riri pama premises. Pakambofungwawo here zvekuti pangangotsvagwa kana room, and then you look for child minders dzekuti dzinouya dzichiita child minding murumu. Zvinhu zvakambofungwawo here paplanning ipapa?
Yes, takazvifunga zvese izvozvo, but unfortunately on our premises hatina room to accommodate that. And secondly, because of the structure of the room ne-equipment, ngati mudziyo yevaridzi, panzvimbo apa pakanaka andiselina zvokuti ukanopunza vhasi 1 mari yacho inozenge yakudiwa ipapo, kana mwana amhanya akanobatana nevhasi revaridzi hatikwanise kuti tizobhadhara for that event.
Okay.
Saka to just kuti tingove tiri pasafe side tese vabereki nesu maorganizers takangoona kuti zviri nani kuti vana vasauye zvavo.
Okay.
Uyezve netime chaiyo iri kupera
event
party yedu pamutemo hatibvumidzwi kunge tine vana.
Okay, got you, thank you.
Ndichienda futi back on nyaya dzekuti accommodation, vamwe vanhu vakanga vakundibvunza about accommodation kuti makadii kuzenge matsvaga kana kuti hotel ina accommodation ipapo kuita kuti vanhu vakadhakwa. There are several hotels around this place. It's just 8 minutes drive kupinda mucity center nekupinda muhotel. Mahotels akawanda, they're just 8 minutes drive. Saka kana waona kuti wakuda kunorara mungopindawo muuber mako umva wamanya kuhotel kwako. It's just 8 minutes, and 8 minutes it will cost you about £5.
So which hotels are we talking about here that are surrounding the venue where people will be?
Isusu, the main hotel which we have used as the organizers and for our visitors, it's Grand Hotel. It's a 5-star hotel, and in a 5-star hotel kudaro, it's kana uchikwanisa kubhadhara mu 5-star hotel, come and let's join us on that night, on the Friday night, from Friday night to Sunday. Tinenge tiri pa Grand Hotel. Apa ndo patiri kufungidzira kuti ndo panenge pane host yedu, but we are not saying muuye kuhotel musiri. Hotel iyi haubvumidzwa kupinda usiri. Let me repeat, nekuti maziva kunenge kuna SIS MELLY hazvireve kuti muchauya kuhotel kurumu kwa SIS MELLY. Musazouipa kana musina kubhuka ipapo, handiti. And then mamwe mahotels aripo, pane Holiday Inn, pane Ibis Hotel, pane Premier Inn, pane mamwe ma B&B, pane ma apartments as well. Saka there is everything for everybody. Kana waona kuti hausi kukwanisa kunge uri kugara muhotel, book an apartment, a room for an apartment, you can get it for about £50. Ona room yako mu apartment. Kana muri a group, let's say mauya muri 10, I would suggest kuti take an apartment as well in about 4 bedrooms.
On that day, Dani, ndakutoona kuti Holiday Inn, it's either said kuti yato fully booked.
Yes. Doing nyaya iri kuitika kuti vanhu vakabhuka zveshuwa, like iko zvine zvimatickets edu ndikakudzai I know kuti vanhu mucharange makuti really asina kubhadhara right now itoona wabhadhara because we are looking at tasarwa about 50 tickets.
Okay.
On the first lot yatiri kuda. Saka make sure kuti wabhadhara. Of course we might extend. That will be in March. Tatozoona kuti muna March zvinhu zvasvika papi. But at this could extend that to a bigger number.
Okay, so you have mentioned hotels like the Grand Hotel, Holiday Inn, which we now have been informed by someone in the comment section, probably that have tried to book it because it's now fully booked. You have mentioned Ibis Hotel, you have mentioned Premier, and we are talking about hotels that are surrounding the Crown place that we will be holding our event.
Yes, that is. Roma 8 minutes, Roma 8 minutes, 10 minutes.
So guys, it's muri kuti isawo papa mahotera
imimi antiselina muri mu Grand Hotel.
Mu Grand Hotel. I5-star hotel okay.
I5-star hotel antiselina.
Vakomana.
I5-star hotel.
Paka kana kutsika gumbo rangu andisati. Pakaipa musu.
So for that I am the 5-star hotel at Selina.
Thank you so much. I can't wait. Naka.
And it's going to be something of a lifetime.
Yes.
And I know that Grand Hotel, there are still places, there are still rooms, but because of the price, people might say, "Oh, I can't go there," but there are still rooms there.
Okay. So Grand Hotel, she's saying kuchi nema rooms. Isusu wamwe ndokwatinenge tiri Grand Hotel. If 5-star hotel, for us it might not be. I think it's going to be an experience of a lifetime. Vakomana musowandinongoti gumbo rangu kiti paiyo Grand Hotel. Ndinotoita live ndiripoka kuti muone kuti ndasvika. You can go on and.
And Grand Hotel is one of the best hotels in Birmingham. So
okay.
That's why we chose that hotel for SIS MELLY kuti kana vakakwanisa kupiwa visa ravo vakakwanisa kuuya she will experience that feeling yekunge vari mu 5-star. And we are so glad, we are so very happy and grateful for one of our daddies who donated that stay for SIS MELLY to be in that hotel. So we are really grateful for that.
Pane Tesco ero padhuze nepa Grand Hotel.
It's in the city center. There is a Tesco Express. Saka tichavaendesa paka Tesco Express.
Tesco hombe aiwa tinetenge takuda kuti watombono kutongonoona pane Tesco chete vasati vapinda muevent kuti mwoyo wavo udzikamwe, otherwise haungadzikame kuti wapinda muUK wotadza kutanga waenda kuTesco.
Aiwa chichemo chavo takachinzwa saka ndofunga musi wachona kana motikari ichanovatora kuairport ichakagona kumira paTesco vombopira mudzini yavo
paTesco ipapo. Pakaipa.
But aiwa takazvinzwa tikaisa kumanotsi saka aiwa vanouya havo voenda kuTesco.
Okay. All right. What else do we have on offer and what's going on that particular day?
On that particular day, it's what you make it. What True. You do is what you make it. Yes. So, kana uka kufara, uchafara.
Ukadecide kubowe kana pa event, pachabowa.
Pachabowa.
Okay.
So, it's what you do. Iwewe kama uri munhu ari kuda kuzofara uchafara because wauya kuzofara. And I'm happy kuti mataura as well kuti we are not doing any competition na anyone.
Yes.
The only thing for dress code won't takati it's a black tie. Munhu wese zveshuwa anofanira ari mu black tie as you enter the red carpet. Then saka kana iri black tie tiri kuexpecta kuti madresses edu anga ari ma-floor length and varume vanenge vakapfekawo masuti avo akanakawo. Saka you are going to be wearing your gowns, your evening gowns, but floor length. And then afterwards, kana une maruo zvako unogona kuya kane kahembe kako kekuzotambisa GT time time.
All right.
Zvakwauri izvo. But your first entrance you have to have a dress code yatiri kuda. And then when you enter the premises, when we start chatting a ticket tracker, because they were contacting us about their tickets, in full. Yes, we are aware of that, and we know kuti makabhadhara mari dzenyu, ma full tickets enyu, and you're expecting your tickets. But what we are going to do is, ndoda kuti munyatsonzwisisa vanhu vese, munyatsotereresa. Munyatsonzwisisa hatizodi mafoni kuwaya a2 a.m. munhu ari ku-night shift afunga kuti arege ndifonere antidanai vanodawo kurara, antidanai vanoendawo kubasa, antidanai vane family, handiti. Saka ngatitewo bhee. Saka iko zvinezvi ndichitaura kudai, matickets enyu kune vanhu vakabhadhara matickets in full, tiri kuweka on a system yedu ndeyekuti tiri kuisa zvinhu zvese paspreadsheet. Taisa zvinhu zvese paspreadsheet redu will generate where your number is. Waona number yako tagenerator number yako, tichakupa code. That code ndo yauchapinda nayo on the entrance musi wa24. Saka kana ukarasa code iyoyo haukwanisi kupinda, because padoo ndo pauchapirwa ticket rako ne-wristband. Wristband rako rinenge rine code yako. Saka uchavhunzwa uchisvika padoo, uchavhunzwa full name rako necode yako. Then wobva watambidzwa envelope. Mu-envelope imomo, kana wakatenga matickets 5, uchapiwa matickets evanhu vako 5 ne-wristbands ako 5.
Wakomana chachirungu kaicho.
Yes. Saka iwewe pari zvino kana tasvika muna matitati tane vanhu vedu vese vakwana, spreadsheet redu razara, munhu wese achazotanga kupiwa macodes iwawo. Make sure you don't lose your code. Make sure you don't share your code, because ukashare code nezita rako, that means kuti watopa umwe munhu ticket.
Okay.
Saka you have to be very careful. You keep your code and your full name. Isusu tiri kuzama full names nekuti tiri kukuvhunza matenga ticket, tiri kukuvhunza for your full name. Full name yo tichaisa pa envelope pako, tobva taisa zvinhu zvako zvese. Iwewe tinongokupa code.
Wow.
Musi wacho unongouya necode. Code iyoyo, that's your secret number.
Okay, saka pama-wristbands apa pari kufamba sei? Akangofanana ese here kana kuti zviri kufamba sei pama-wristbands?
No, ma-wristbands haana kufanana.
Okay.
Kana uri vendor, uri let's say MC, uri artist, uri chi, une wristband a different color.
Right.
And unenge mu-envelope mako munenge musina ticket, because haunotenga ticket.
Right.
Then kana vari ana SIS MELLY vanenge vane ticket ravo, bhozi richatotengwa ticket ravo. Saka madiaries ndatenge ticket raSIS MELLY.
Oh yes, that is another thing. As we say it, we are all equal. Munhu wese is going to buy a ticket.
Yes.
Uri SIS MELLY, uri anti-Selina, uri Shumbaresi Belzi, uri anti-Nanai. A ticket needs to be purchased.
Yes.
Okay.
Saka munhu wese achatenga ticket. Munhu wese atenga ticket. Unenge une ticket rako ne-wristband rako. But kusaitwa naSIS MELLY uku, nema-sponsors edu, vanenge vane gold. Then vamwe vese tinenge tine black ne-ticket redu.
Okay.
Pama-colors apa hapana zvokuti kana makuzoenda kuchikafu ane red achapiwa special menu. Hakuna special menu for anyone. Hakuna ari kuuya kuzopirwa chikafu patable.
Okay.
Munhu wese achendonotora chikafu chake agonogara pasi, because we are all equal.
Yes.
Hakuna special treatment.
Okay.
Yes, we can do to a certain extent kuti kana tiri very disabled vari pamawheelchair kuti vasikukwanisa kuramba vachisumuka nekudi yes tine mawaiters atinenge tinawo ndo vachangokwanisa kupiwa help, but the rest munhu wese it's a buffet. Munhu wese achaita sei achange achienda kubuffet kunotora chikafu chake unosarudza wega zvaari kuda kudya. There'll be 4 choices on the menu. But paitama 4 choices ipapo nezuro. Why we have come today for the live, ndezvokuti nezuro we hold our first meeting as the organizers. Ma-organizers I am need. Saka aiwa pachikafu tatata hatisi kuda zvesadza zvikanzi vanhu ndikativaitire kasadza time kuitira kuti vanoda vanonge vamwa doro nechichi vanenge vane kasadza. Saka pasarudzwa kasadza kudaro pakapedzisira paane mazondo. Saka asikana kuchandirwa kasadza ketime kanenge kane mazondo. Saka that's what's going to be there. We're just going to have fun, guys. It's all about just having fun. But the menu inenge ine 4 choices besides zvekuti sadza nemazondo ezvaiwa.
Sadza nemazondo zvinhu zvakazonyuka nezuro
hazvo nezuro, but 4 choices dzenyu dziripo. 4 choices dzenyu dziripo. Saka you've got 4 choices of everything. Kuti ma-carbohydrates mune 4, ma-protein mune 4, ma-vegetables mune 4, ma-salads mune 4.
Hansi, someone is asking, let me say this. I hope vaona vanga vachibvunza kuti havasi kuona Grand Hotel. It's spelled G-R-A-N-D, not Grant wemusiling ba. G-R-A-N-D. Mukagoogla Grand Hotel Birmingham munoiwana. Antidani andifunga kuti tambotaura kuti kwatiri kuitira event yetu kunonzi chini.
Okay, kwatiri kuitira kunonzi Crown Banquet. It's Crown Banquet. Iri muna Trinity ku Digbath mu Birmingham. It's right in the city center, so you won't miss it.
Okay.
Kuva train station is about 15 minutes. Kuva about 10 to 15 minutes kuva train station. Kuva ku airport, Birmingham airport, it's about 30 minutes.
Okay. If you want more information, you can get hold of me. You can get hold of our event planner. You can get hold of Auntie Martha. You can get the phone numbers on the flyer. You can go on, Auntie Dani.
Yeah. So, chichi mchadasiya.
Mwanga kubvunza kuti mati black tie and sadza nemazondo zvinopindirana papi ipapo.
No. Musa confuse me. Sadza nemazondo, it's not kuti zviri part of the menu. Ndo zvatataura wani kuti it's just a treat later on. Treat kakuka hake kupedzesera pamwe futi hamuto zvidhakwa zvinenge zvatodya kudhara pamwe hamutombozvioni. It's not part of the menu. Don't get us. Don't get it wrong.
And anyway, it was public. It was by public demand. We listened to people and we accepted it. Just because it's a bowl. We shouldn't also forget kuti isusu sevanhu vechitema tine tumwe tunhu twedu twatisingadi kushaya. Vamwe vakatonga kutotaura kuti madii kuisa kaguru, vamwe vakati madii kuisa matumbu. But we just settled for that. Otherwise pamenyu panga pasina sadza zvachose. But we listened to people kuti pane vachanga vachimira oka vasingadi zvana zvechirungurungu izvo zvana salmoni izvozvi titirewo kasadza. So we listened to you and we accepted to do it.
Yes. And saka kana wazokashaiwo kasadza ikako hazvisi zvekutozonyora paFacebook kuti
ndakashaiwa sadza. It wasn't on our plan.
Kana washaiwa zviri kana washaiwa zviri pamamenyu edu ari 4 aya atiri kutaura nezvawo, yes, you are allowed kutaura because that's part of your money. Iyi itori contribution wo yatoitwa nomumwe munhuwo zvake atototsvaga nditombokufadza iwo. Saka it's not part of the menu but kachange karipo. Saka kana wari shaiwa usadza hazvisi zvinhu zvokuti you can write back home.
Okay. Sitting setup, how's the sitting setup yakamira sei?
Sitting setup, everyone, it's first come, first serve. The only tables that icha reserve is the tables that tinoziva kuti ndo dzichagarawo, like vanhu vachati vari kuti sponsor. They need because kana munhu akusponsor akakupa lese akupa 500 yekungokupawo ndopa uchamusiya asinawo pekugara here. Hatingadaro. Saka tine reserved tables. These reserved tables ndo paruchagara na SIS MELLY nana chele vedu ana anti Selina and it ndo pavachange vagara. Saka we just put a few tables which are reserved, but everyone else it's first come first serve. Pawafunga kugara enda unogara as long usiri kugara pama reserved tables chete.
Pane question iri kuramba ichiuya. Vegetarian tinongonzwa muprofita mangu muchiti munofanirwa kutaura nenyaya yevegetarian. Tongoramba ichingobvunzwa nevanhu vegetarian.
Vegetarian dishes aripo. We've got a vegetarian carbohydrate which is going to be vegetable fried rice. Then pane vegetable curry which is going to be one of the vegetarian dish. Then there is salads as well.
Okay.
There is salads as well. So I'm a vegetarian, they are catered for on the 4-part menu.
All right. Okay. You can go on with the rest.
Menu tataura ndidzi. Then transport, transport.
Okay.
Ndichafamba sei, ndichazodi from my hotel kana kuti from kumba kwangu. The other thing chamunofana kuyeuka kunge muchibhadhara kuti musazochema mazodzokera kudzimba. Mukauya nemotikari endai munotarisai pa-DVLA kuti motikari yenyu iri pa-clean zone here. Kana isiri pa-clean zone mobhadhara mari dzenyu dze-clean zone. Because muBirmingham munopiwa tickets. Ticket unofana kuribhadhara within the 8 days dzaunenge watravela.
Munoti clean zone chair lady. What's a clean zone? What are you on about?
My emissions.
Okay.
Motikari like the diesel anditi dzinoburitsa hutsi uya. Hutsi ihwohwo hatisi kuhuda muBirmingham.
Alright.
Kana motikari yako iri a certain age inenge yakunzi haisisiri pa-clean zone, saka unofana kunge uchibhadhara that mari ne-congestion fee.
Okay, so those that will be driving to Birmingham, make sure you check kuti motikari yako yakamira sei before you enter some parts the Birmingham, because it's not
definitely tichitira vanofana kutocheka motikari dzavo because it's within the city center. Saka definitely somehow inogona kunge iri mari dzinenge zvichida kuzobhadharwa idzodzo. It's just about £5 or £8 if I'm not mistaken.
Okay.
And then pavenue pedu pane parking, and parking it's free pavenue pedu. We've got 200 parking spaces.
Okay. 200 parking spaces. But before usati wanosvika kunopaka motikari kuvenue, cheka ma-emission ari allowed. Kuti motikari yako inopinda here mucity center kana kuti inofanirwa kusarira kunze uku. Kana wadecide kupinda nayo mu-free emission zone, make sure you pay your ticket on time. Haikona kuzoere kana wakupiwa mapenalty nekuzopedzisira wakucourt. Please not. Please not. If you are not sure, it's better you take a train, get a cab from train station and go to your hotel. If you are not sure, it's better to be safe than sorry. Emission, please.
Yes. Saka ndozvo zvavanofana kucheka chekai motikari dzenyu because munombemingama vatambise, and kune vanenge vachizopakawo motikari dzavo kumahotels kwamunenge muri, check as well parking permits enyu kuti pamuri pamapaka pachona mukubvumirwa nguva yakareba sei, and hotel yako pauri kunogara vari kuti mupakire kupi. Park where you're supposed to park, because mukangopaka anyway Birmingham haina zvekutambisa. Munoswera mane matiketi kana 20 chaiwo, mukadzokera mane chikweleti 10,000 kumba.
Yeah, it's not like kuti ukangopaka pasiripo, you can be given a ticket for the night. In the event that munhu anopa tickets auya 5 times, because you are only allowed after akupa tickets to remove your car by a certain period. If you don't, unoona pakastikwa kana 10 tickets pamotikari pako. Saka let's be wary those that are coming with cars. Check kwauri kuenda pahotel pauri kupaka. Do not park where you are allowed, where you are not allowed, because manheru kana sevamwe isusu takamboita chisaskamu chekufunga kuti maspeed cameras manheru anenge adzima, tikafunga kuti tinongopfuura. Check before you park your car, please.
Yeah, the good thing is pavenue pedu you are guaranteed free parking. Saka kana wauya ukaskunopaka pavenue patiri kuitira function yedu tine 200 spaces dzepavenue ipapo, saka you are going to park for free. But musazosiya, because there is a certain area iri kubvumidzwa kuti mupake, musazonopaka motikari dzenyu muroad asi pane parking space iripo. It's just the opposite. Door rinenge ritori apa mungocrossa road makutopinda muparking slot. Saka mupakai muparking slot, pinzai motikari yenyu, ende panenge pane security as well. Saka pakai muparking slot, musapake along the roads, please.
Okay.
Park up along the roads kana ivo masecurity vakuti umo mazara chinhu sayai kupaka pakati votokurakidzai pekupaka, otherwise you will be munopesa mane matickets.
Okay, before you go on, Auntie Danny, let me take this opportunity to just welcome Mr. Martin Chitsa on the platform. The blogger. Mr. Martin Chitsa, welcome to the platform. You can go on, Auntie Danny.
Yeah, so we have mentioned parking. Auntie Selina?
I think at the moment you have answered it all. I've seen kuti wamango wachibvunza kuti havasikuona grand hotel, and I think I've corrected spelling yavo kuti it's GRAND, not Grand Worm Ceiling, but Grand Hotel.
Grand GRAND.
How much are our tickets, and are we still able to pay what you call it? Are you still able to pay deposits?
No, that's the other thing. Thank you for mentioning that. Atichabata ma £10 at Atichimbobata muna January. As we said before, patakaita our first live. Takataura nezve ma £10 kuti vanhu vakuda kusecure ma places enyu bhadharai ma £10. Vanhu vabhadhara ma £10. But unfortunately, there are some people who couldn't make it kuti vabhadhare ma £10 avo by end of January. Tashika muna February, we are no longer, I have to repeat this, we are no longer taking any deposits. Kana usina kubhadhara £10 yako, atichatora any deposits. Takuda full amount, because by end of March toda kuti tinge tane mari yese in place to bhadhara zvinhu zvese zvataisa ma deposit so far zvobhadharwa in full. Then May takuzoti takungofunga kazvehembe kuti toita sei pahembe. Saka musauye kwandiri momva mati ndoda kubhadhara £10 nekuti ndakanga ndisingazive, ndakatsvaga Auntie Selina ndikavashaya ndikazotaura naSisi Melly. And the other thing, musaende kuna Sisi Melly muchinovhunza about ball. Sisi Melly doesn't know anything about ball. Anditi Sisi Melly havana, isu kutoudza Sisi Melly zvavanofanirwa kuziva. Zvavasingafanirwa kuziva hatisi kuvaudza. Saka musaende kuna Sisi Melly muchifunga kuti muchaona ma-favors. Anditika ekuti Sisi Melly vachauya kwandiri voskoditi maitawa itopai shamwari yangu 10 muise padeposit ye £10. It's not going to happen like that. Because ndakuudza kuti tine system yatiri kuweka on. Saka sezvo tine system yatiri kuweka on, tikatora ma £10 enyu right now, ndatokanganisa masecretary natreasure ari kubata mari system yavo yavari kuweka om and musi wachona ndimi futi the same people munenge makuya muchiti ini sei ticket rangu ndisiri kuruona whereby imimi ndimune mauya futi nechi a little bit of confusion saka musaita confusion from musi wa1 February we started taking my full amount saka kana usina full amount mirira kusvika wana full amount wouya zvako but end of March tetakuona kuti tine number ngani yematickets kana namba iyoyo yematickets edu yakwana tinenge takukuudza kuti namba yematickets edu akwana but we are increasing this number saka musamirire kuti tizoti takuinti because togona kusvika musi wachona end of March tokudza kuti pazara handiti because remember tine maartist wari kuuya it's another number yatichaedza to our number saka zvinhu zvenyu yedu inopinda vanhu 1000 but for now we don't want to host 1000 I would want to lie we don't want to host 1000
we haven't reached that stage as yet
exactly
yeah
saka we are going to have to host a party atinoziva kuti we are going to go we are going to be enjoying and munhu wese is going to be catered for personal problem saka we've got a number yatinayo musoro for now ingoziva kuti tiri kuda about 150 ndo number yatiri kukupai ibimi as a whole but kana number yedu tikaona kuti yawanda tichawedzera zvedu but usamamirire kuti tiwedzere because togona kusvika musi wachona tokudza kuti hatichawedzera saka make sure by end of March wange wabhadharawo ticket rako tikanzi nhasi japresa ari kuuya uku vanhu vanomhanya kuti apatomboisa madeposit kunongotengwa matiketi full price hamutomboisa madeposit saka why would you want to put deposits now and kana musafungidzira kuti mukauya on the day padoor wakabata 50 pounds yako uchabvumirwa kupinda hausi kuzobvumirwa kupinda because hauna kodi yekupinda
no because coding inetenge yaitwa kudhara maenvelopes anenge aitwa kudhara
coding irikuitwa muna March saka kana wane coding yako wane code number yako yekupinda muvenue by March usaexpect kuti uchauya ne55 pounds yako padoor and then uti sisi maybe nditengerewo ticket andiseni ndauya zvino ndatosvika padoor mukandisiyere ndikadzokerere ndatoya padoor it's not going to work.
Okay, Auntie Dani, before you go on, let me take this opportunity to welcome all those people that are joining the live today. It's SIS MELLY's Diaries, and we are talking about a ball that is happening in Birmingham at the Crown on the 24th of June in the year 2023. We are saying we have organized this ball, and we don't have VIPs. We are all the same. No favors to anyone. What we are just going to have is my reserved tables. Of course, we have got people that will be sponsoring us. Sakatinonida kungova reservero matable. But otherwise, we are saying we are all equal on this day. And each and everyone, including SIS MELLY herself, she's going to pay the 55 pounds because we have said we are all equal. And for the benefit of those that don't understand the language that we are speaking, at this point, I am very sorry. We are going to be mixing a bit of English and a bit of Shona. But if you can't hear what we are talking about, I think you can switch on your what do they call them? Your translator. You can switch on the translator because I know we have got a bit of Indian population that watches our program, and they do switch on the translator. So that is what we are talking about. A ball on the 23rd of June. 24th of June 2023, and it's going to be the first ever ball. One thing that I also want you to talk about, Auntie, we are having people that are requesting to present topics on this particular day. How are you handling them?
The people who are coming to me right vanoita maspeech, ma-influencer anoita kana kuti zve-mental health, they want to talk about mental health kana kuti autism. We are not giving that platform.
Why?
Because it's not a seminar, it's not a conference, it's not a... what's the other word? Because kazhinji zvinoitika pama-conference, kuitika pama-seminars. Isusu hatisi kuita izvozvo. This is a party. Saka our speeches are very limited. Very, very limited. The only speeches munhu ari kubvumirwa kutaura on that very day. Munhu uye anenge auya kuti ati inini nekambani yangu ende ndakusponsor. Tiri kumupa tiketi pa-sponsorship yake. Tiri kumupa 10 minutes. I have to say, rephrase this. 10 minutes. Kuti angotiudza about the company yake. It's another way of appreciating kuti atipoka mari kake handiti katiri kuzoshandisawo. Saka tichamupa 10 minutes. Saka kana uri sponsor, what is sponsor? Tikukupa 10 minutes just to talk about your product. Besides that, kana usiri sponsor, hauna time yekutaura.
Haitiba. It's a ball that we are having. So we are not going to have any speeches from anyone.
No.
We are sincerely hoping, because we have had an influx of people asking about this, after that, after that, after
I had several people. Vamwe vaitofona as far as Australia, kuti munhu anoda kutouya from Australia kuzotaura.
Yeah.
Vamwe vaitofona vari within UK. But unfortunately, I was the worst person ever. And I can't but taura chokwadi no. And vanhu vakawanda vanga vandifonera kuti I hope hamusi kuwanza maspeech. Saka I have to listen to the public. I have to listen kune vanhu vari kubhadharawo mari dzavo zvavanenge vatiudza, and ndo zvinoita kuti pati yachona ifadze. Vanhu vakatiudza kuti I hope hamusi kusita zvokungotaura tinofanira kuteerera, because vakazoona vanhu vakungotaura shuvatopedza 3 hours tichingotaura about our businesses. Kana nokuti munhu akanga akundipa example yekuti ndautaura nezve-immigration, but munhu iye akautaura nezve-immigration haasitombori mu-UK macho. Saka how can you teach us about immigration iwe usiri mu-UK? How can you teach us about the laws dzemu-UK iwe usiri mu-UK? Saka handina kuona zvichitiitira zvakanaka kuti tinge tichiakomodheta zvinhu zvakadaro. Saka kuti tisaite ma-problems takangoti no, hapana ma-speeches ari kuitwa in such a way.
Okay, we are also hoping, since there was a big number that wanted to talk about their topics or their businesses, we are also hoping that SIS MELLY is in the comment section and listening, that she will facilitate having a conference or a seminar to give those people an opportunity to talk about what they want to talk about. Probably a large number within a certain country, they can organize and invite you to go over there, and they can have seminars and talk about what they want to talk about. But this one is strictly a ball. Musiwo, you know, we work so hard and we are always good shift. Musiwo, we want you to come in your numbers. We want to place the voices of these people that we speak to, the people that comment behind the scenes. We also want to see your faces. We want to know who you are. And that day will specifically be for that, to know each other, to place the voices and the commenting to the person what musiwo.
Yes, and the other thing, my speeches, there is a platform which is here. I think we've got 2 pages, Panapa, the SIS MELLY Diaries Live. They can come and voice up a live. Votaura about awareness, then a larger platform because when SIS MELLY goes on live, pane about 1,000 people normally. Yes. So vanokwanisa kuedwa votaura about their businesses avo iwavo paplatform yakakura kudaro pane kuti vamirire kuti pamafunctions emapati vaite
presentation
topic. Honestly, topic here, like for instance, autism, it's quite a sensitive topic here. Kuti tingataure papati. So topic here, suicidal, it's quite a topic really sensitive. Kana kuti mental health. Honestly, I wouldn't want kuti ndakapfeka background rangu ndakutanga kuudzwa about mental health. Ini ndatotiza kumba kwatina mental health yechina yakatozara. Then in ndakuya makusondudza futi nezve-mental health. So I think Pama Live will be the best places for them to go. Voita ma live avo ipapo by a bigger platform. Ekuti munhu wese anoteerera achitenga than on this day.
Tell us, are we going to be allowed to use our phones to record what will be going on?
Yes, and be cautious as well. Next to you, okay. Remember, we are in the UK. But we are going to be having a photographer, and we are that photographer is going to take to my short videos to our teachers or kind of tip Facebook, and there's going to be a SIS MELLY live on that day as well. Saka vanhu vese vari kuAfrica vari kupi nekuti vasiri kukwanisa kunge vanesu panguva iyoyo aiwa munozvionera henyu palive.
Okay, as we enter the entrance of the crown where we are holding our ball, is there anything that will greet us and make us relax whilst we mingle and wait to take our seats? What's happening after entering the event hall? What is happening?
You have some cocktail drinks and you have some canopies as well as you enter. So Muchipinda, you register yourself, you are given canopies, you are given a welcome drink.
Okay. Okay. Are we allowed to smoke in that room?
No, no smoking.
Okay. And the Doro situation, Jagamira say pa situation Dora.
Padoro. I think Pachinema question mark.
Okay.
But alcohol is allowed. But we'll inform you as time goes on. Alcohol is allowed, and there's still questions on people. Should people bring their own alcohol, or should we do a paying bar?
Okay.
So we'll inform you as time goes on.
Okay. Remember when we first spoke about this event, we were sincerely hoping that each and everyone who wanted to come would come and would avail them Tsambazeku user. Can you enlighten us more? Did that fall through, or Jakati Bambe? What happened?
It didn't go on as we were planning. Because this was our first event. Saka, we were so excited, and some of the information, yes, we did say, oh, we'll give you letters and you can apply for your visas, blah, blah, blah. But as we went deep into the system, as we went on deeper, takutaurone solicitors, takutaurone vamwe promoters and everything. Takaona kuti tsamba dzatangatamboudza vanhu dziya which I would love to apologize kuti tataka kupromisai, but we cannot do those letters anymore. What people can do, like vamwe vese vari kuapply, you are applying it on your own grounds. Saka kana tiri kuti on your own grounds zviri kureva kuti uri kuapply as a visitor coming kunoko. Wozviitira zvinhu zvako zvese wega. Pasina SIS MELLY diaries involved. Pasina anything to do nekuti tichanyora tsamba. Because we thought it was going to be easy kuti tikangonyora invitation letter munhu akaendesa kumavisa zvinobva zvatongoita. But it didn't come out that way. And I would love to really apologize on that note, because it didn't work out as the same way as we wanted it to work out. So as for SIS MELLY, yes, we are doing the right thing towards whatever she's going to be applying for. Saka whether vari kuzopiwa kana kuti havapiwe, still the ball is still going on. Zvireva kuti kana SIS MELLY vasipo tomba tati takuvharisa mafaro 9, aiwa mafaro anoramba achiita sei achienda, but we are hoping and believing. Same diaries, we always have the faith yekuti visa raSIS MELLY richabuda, and we are doing the right channels for that visa. So because we are doing the right channels, so definitely that visa should come out.
Wow. I can't wait for that day, honestly. I really can't wait. For me, it's going to be a lifetime event. And on that day, I'm going to put an effort. I've never had nails done. On that day, I'll have nails. I know I've been reliably informed that a makeup artist has been found for me. Saka ndanchitoudza handidani kuti mungaudzawo makeup artist kuti inini zvetsiye dzinopedzera dzakuita kunge mutsvairo ina handidi. Saka most of the things that are going to be happening, I'll own up, it will be a first time for me. I'm not a makeup person, but I'm willing to try. Mukandiona zvakabhenda, instead of kuseka, munongoti andiserina next time mukadai. Akunozoita basa rekutora pikicha makumhanyisa pikicha yekuti hey, dzazozorwa zvino makeup. Remember, we said as diaries, we are not in any competition with anyone. So makeup yandinenge yandakaitwa, it will be for me, not to be in any competition. Not to be in any competition with anyone. Remember, musiwoyo tirivanu. Errors will happen. It said perfect is only to God. We are human. It's our first ball. Errors will happen. And we are willing next time to take the errors that will have happened there, of which we are hoping they won't.
Yes, and we like to think and believe that everything it's a first time thing. Yeah. We are learning as we go. Every step we are taking, it's a learning curve for everyone. You know, the 17 ladies I have behind the scenes, they are working so hard.
Very hard.
Gadzirisa zvinhu in place tichifonerana pachezvedu tiri
17.
It was 4 o'clock a.m.
in the morning.
In the morning. Saka zvinhu zvokuti sometimes munofana kunzwisisa kuti this is a learning curve for everyone.
For us. Yeah.
Not that we are expecting that we are going to fail, no. But we are doing the best that we can.
Yeah.
We are doing the best.
And when we say it's a ball, we are going to make it a ball according to how we see it fit, not according to what Google says. We are going to make it a ball according to how we see it fit, although we are going to take guidance from what a ball is. Kuna Google watch, and it's going to be a first time. I will apologize in advance, but we are hoping everything with the 17-member team that is being led by Auntie Dani, that the event will be a success.
Yes, and pabo chaipo tikada kutarisana zvaGoogle haambotibvumira ma-traditional dance.
Yes, that is why I said we are doing it according to us.
Yeah, that's why we are doing it traditional, our own traditional ball. Saka, don't expect my high hopes. And if you look at it with the price that we charged, guys,
yes,
it's a reasonable price for everybody. yekuti anyone can afford and everyone can enjoy. Saka don't expect kana wanga uchida boy first class, then you have to pay 250 toenda ku O2 ko kana kuti ku arena. You know? Zvomba zvamuita square but hatisi kudaro. Tikuenda toda kuti tese tikwane whether you are rich aunt or not, tese tichakwana kwana.
Saka pa menu yedu apa, how many courses are we having at?
We are having 4 of each, so it will be sort of a 3-course meal, really, because muchipinda mukupiwa makanapis. It's a 3-course meal. Muchipinda mukupiwa makanapis. Then most of you have 4 of each per menu. So you put 4 dishes, very different per menu. Then most of you are dessert as well.
Tell us more about the dessert table. I know I'm hearing from you guys, dessert table, dessert cake table. What is it all about?
Dessert table is where the desserts are going to be. Some of the desserts, they're going to be there, displayed. So, but dessert table, panema macarons, panema jelly and fruits, panema fruits, chaiwa for people who are diabetic, panema cupcakes, there's a SIS MELLY dairies cake, azvireve kuti kana tati vanhu vari kudya zviri padessert table uchadya what chese chiri ipapo. No, you can be surprised kuti unogona kusvika kana kuti wongodzi nhonga chunhu 1, saka ukanhongo chunhu 1 woziva kuti kana wanhongo cupcake hauchazodzokerawo kunonhonga something else, because watonhongo cupcake mumwe munhu achadawo. And remember, we will be at around 200 people in there. So everyone wants to have a piece of the dessert, but we are going to make sure that it will be equivalent for everybody.
Okay. Is the whole got health and safety? Hello. Oh, sorry.
Banquet.
You know the cheap banquet. Matino the cheap banquet. Yo. In the event of something happening in the world that is unfortunate, of which we hope nothing will happen, but it still has to be talked about. Tinema ma rules health and safety, if you put in place kuti ndiana chaita take action when something happens, and in case someone needs the hospital or someone needs police, who is going to take care of that?
Okay, on the day, police is going to be informed. And on the day, security is going to be there.
Okay.
Security provide one the premises. Saka definitely mapurisa anenge akamira marodo because vanenge vato inform you that there's something going on. So in terms of security, yes, there's going to be security, a very tight security. Musafungoti mukaona 1 kana 2 vakapfeka ma uniform hapana vangu. Let me clarify that.
Vanenge vachingomema sort of around.
Munogona kuona 2 vakapfeka ma uniform kana kuti vasina futi ma uniform, but vanenge vakatowanda varipo. Saka security is there, and the police are going to be informed as well.
And Sidana, can you just say out your number for me, please?
My number is 079105
79105
33 284.
284.
And whoever is calling my number, please respect my phone number. Respect the time I'm on the phone now. Of course, you can, if phone yangu per sleep, saka from 10 o'clock until 7 o'clock in the morning. Nothing from there is, my phone won't be working until 7 o'clock in the morning.
Okay, I've pinned the number down. I'm seeing Kuti. There are some people that are asking Kuti, tinopinda sei mugroup, you can get hold of her. And if you want to hear more about the do, we have got Auntie Danai, her number is on the flyer. We have got Auntie Martha, her number is on the flyer. We have got Auntie Selina, her number is on the flyer as well. Unfortunately, those that are contacting SIS MELLY, you'll find that she will direct you to these 3 people, because that is where you will get the more information about the do. Do we have anything to say, Auntie Dani, before we wrap up?
No, I was just going to say, like, respect my number. Times amukufona, sometimes vamuvedu, times amukufona it's not acceptable. But and kana wafona ngatingotauraika zvebho atichataura zvezvimwe zvinhu. I'm not accommodating zvisina nebasa. Ndiri accommodate zvebho.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, there are some people that are asking, I bet panenge pasina cool drinks. They are there, the cool drinks are there, the drinks are there.
The drinks are going to be provided.
Drinks are going to be provided. Water is going to be provided. So upon entrance, you've got the welcome drinks and the canopies.
And the canopies, yes.
Canopies. And then we have got our main meal, and then we have got a cake table that we have got. I don't know if there is anything else that needs to be talked about, but the main thing again and again is we are not in any competition with anyone. We are running our own race. We don't have a VIP table. We have got 1 or 2 reserved tables that are just going to be reserved. We are in a tennis zenyu, we are in a slippers yenyu. Asi, mutichangotanga kupinda, we said we are having a ball gown. It's a black tie event, which means tinoda magauni yenyu kuti mumbozvirakidzawo. Let's make it a day to remember. For some of us, it's the first time that we are going to such an event. Let's put forth the effort. Zvaunofila kuti uri comfortable nazvo iwewe ndizvo uya wakadi uya wakapfeka. If you are in the event and you feel something chausiri kunyatsogutsikana nazvo, on the day we are going to be introducing the 17 women who would have been behind the scenes of organizing this. Yes, 17 people are organizing this ball. Saka, they are going to be introduced. Saka, if you feel kuti pane chisina unyatsomira zvakanaka, or you want to ask something, vachange vachi-identify vakadzi ava. We will tell you their names on the day and introduce them to you. So that is the day. In Birmingham, at the Crown, on the 24th of June in the year 2023. That is where all roads will be leading. Askana, asiko hako msi hoyo. Antenga akutomirira ya 2024. Ndo ya aninga akumirira. Anditi.
Gatitenge ma tickets edu tibhadhare ma tickets edu in full by end of March.
End of March. Munofana hunge mabhadhara ma tickets enyu ose by end of March. And please, we have taken.
And why we are saying end of March? Because I saw a question. Why end of March? Why we are saying end of March? Things need to be paid.
Yeah.
Zvatakabhadhara madhipositi zviya imari dzakabva kuvanhu 17 vandiri kutaura nezvavo. Saka by end of March tinofanira kudzosera vanhu ivavo mari dzavo. 1, 2, tinofanira kubhadhara in full kunzvimbo kwese kwatiri kuenda nemaartist edu vatiri kuhaya. Zvese zvinofanira kubhadharwa zvinofanira kunge zvabhadharwa. Chikafu chenyu chinofanira kunge chakutonzi mari yechikafu ndeichi. Saka that's why tiri kuti end of March.
Okay. Antipemu muri kunyora kuti pass through your house. Aiwa, antipemu hazviite. Muri kutotora off antipemu hazviiti. Hazviiti. Muri kutotora far off on that day. Auntie Pam, you will be there. I'm expecting to see you there. You are going to take off on that day. If not, you are going to take emergency off. So I think, having said all that, I don't know if you've got anything, Chair Lady, before we wind off.
I just want everyone to pray kuti our day will go on well, and I just want kuti vanhu vese munge muchifara on this day. That's my wish, kuti munhu wese anga achifara, and I believe kuti tichafara, because the strength which has gone into this, I know that is such a cool.
And it's a lot. Linda Rue, I want to come, but I don't know anyone. Linda Rue, you can get in touch with Auntie Danai. Her phone number is at the bottom. You can talk to her, and you can get hold of me as well. My phone number is 079-460-73586. Or you can get the flyer and get my numbers from there. Call and ask what you want to ask. Talking back on food, let me just say this, Auntie Dani. We have got so many requests of people individualizing and requesting their own foods. Unfortunately, we can't be catering food for each and every one. Specifically, unfortunately, we are sorry to say that we are not able to do that. We have tried to accommodate each and everyone. Pamsoro pe zvaanodya, you find kuti pane rimwe rice rinenge rine seafood. Some of us don't eat seafood. Vaita vegetarian rine vegetables rice, and also plain rice. So we have tried accommodating, but we can't accommodate each and everyone according to my special needs. Kana paine vanhu vane allergy, vanema allergy.
Ndova ndingatoda kuti tizive as soon as. Kana pane anenge ane allergy, ndamba angotiudza as soon as. Ndova tinokwanisa kuita ketafo kuti panenge pachiprepewa chikafu chavo chinoprepewa somewhere else, kana kuti chinoprepewa within a certain caution.
Vanema allergies, please get hold of the lady that is talking, and let her know kuti munema allergies. Pane munema nut allergies. Get hold of the lady that is talking. Ichida mukeke munogona kuiswa manuts, saka please let it be known. Otherwise, if you keep quiet, zvinozotinetsa musi wacho iwoyo. I think we have said it all. I don't know if there are any other comments where people are asking kuti zviri kufamba sei.
No, I think what they need to know now is they say specific tataura. Zvimwe zviri hidden kana kuti kuri kuzoitweika kuti izvo uyo wakaoneka surprise wozozvionera on the day, and it's
some of the things we really can't say, but we have got a lot in store for you guys. The 17 ladies are working tirelessly. Yesterday, some of them drove to her place. That is where the meeting was. And for those that tester menu was there.
Some part of your menu, and they were quite happy about it. So
and for some of us that didn't make it because we were on a conference call, we could only see it from a distance, from a picture. But otherwise, first meeting was held in terms of a visual meeting, because it has always been audio meetings, but the visual meeting was held yesterday, and they managed vakaenda to sample canopies starter. So I think we have said it all. If you have got any questions, the event planner's number is pinned below. Go on the flyer, get hold of me, the event planner, or Auntie Martha. You get our phone numbers at the bottom of the flyer. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining this platform. Do not hesitate to ask questions. Reasonable questions. I'm hoping to see each and everyone, and I'm hoping kuita mafaro that day. Anyway, musiwo yoka.
Understanding that. And there was another question which was proposed. Sorry, but I think we have to mention this.
Go on.
There was a proposal question yakauya yekunzi murikuita date night.
Oh yes, that was important. In fact, ndatomboona someone arikuti tichange tichimecheswa here kunenge kune single men. Go on, let's talk about it.
Yeah, guys, we have to understand that boys between men and women, and most people who are coming are married as well. Apana zema single men gonna sing woman gonna date night. Munhu wese ari kunge aripo, saka kana une partner yako ushauri nepartner yako, not kuti tiri kuita date night, we are kumutesa vanhu. And it's not a dating party, it's not a dating night party, it's a ball, it's a party for all. Saka atisi ma matchmakers.
Okay, I think people are getting I don't know where the confusion is coming from, because kana SIS MELLY wachita ma live, remember some lives it's to boost the you know what you will be talking about. I think at one point she talked about ikuti masingle men mes murikondi batei. She wasn't necessarily saying kuti it will be a singles night ndichange ndichikumechesai. Some we ngatizivewo kutora zvimwe zvine huma mukati and conclude pozenge pakufamba manhingira ekini ekuti hanzi kunenge kuchinyengesanwa imbondiudzawo. No, it won't be that. Banta SIS MELLY vanenge vachijoka zvavo. Saka well, if you feel it's a date night, no problem as well, but to us it's a ball. Kana vanhu vazosangana ipapo, single men dzinenge dzauyawo neshamwari dzadzo, kana single women vasangana ipapo, who are we to say no? If it happens, it happens. So yeah, it's a marketing strategy. Yes, SIS MELLY. So we should learn where to cut off zvimwe zvinhu. Aikunongotora zvinhu zvese serious.
Amwe mabhanta anenge achingotsaurwa kureva kuti ndo zviri kuitika. Saka please don't get confused, because zvinhu zvakadaro zvopedzisira zvakuenda kune mamwe maplatforms asina kunyatsomira mushe, zvakutsaurwa in a way isingaite. Saka let's try not to give false information out there. Atisi kuita date night. Information yakandibata zvikuru, because takati zvakubva nekupi futi, you know, and then wozongoona kuti munhu anenge asina kunzwisisa kuti bhanta yataurwa iri kuenda kupi ichibva kupi. But let's try to take jokes as jokes, banters as banters, and move on. Don't take everything serious that SIS MELLY says vachiseka, you know.
And if you are not sure, ask the organizers.
Exactly.
Ask the organizers. Because mukabvunzana pachenyu pachange pakubuda information isiriyo, like that note, pane note yange iri kucirculate that has led Auntie Danai to talk about it, because it got into her inbox kuti kuri kunzi date night. Hands dress code iriko here?
No, dress code floor length evening gown. Floor length evening gown. Evening gown. Floor length. Hembe yako inofana kusvika kufloor. Ndo dress code. Apana color. Atisi kuita zvema-colors or anything. Munhu uri kuuya wakapfeka makala uri kuda, kana ukaoda kuuya wakapfeka riri zambi asi ndarisvike kufloor.
I think everyone has understood. Some of us inini ndiri kuuya nehembe ndichange ndichinja hembe 10 ndosandiri kuuya nadzo paball night. Saka leave me to be when I start changing my 10 dresses, please. Some of us it's let's not talk about giving pressure, because hapana pressure iripo. Ndati inini it's an event of a lifetime. So if I'm going to change my 10 dresses, let me be, please, because it's the one and only event that probably knowing kuti handisandamboeva an event almost 60 years back, handisandamboeva such an event. Ndisiyeiwo ndichinje 10 dresses dzangu. Hakuna kuzoti maakufamba muchiti handisirina wakatouya nemadhirezi enyu 10. Dzimwe nguva totoshayiko kumapfekera, asi ndiri kuuya neangu 10 ekuchinja.
And pandaona pandaisirwa inbox, ndaisirwa message yekunzi kana ndichida kutaurawo 5 minutes inenge iri mari. Kana unoda kupuwa 5 minutes idzodzo, iva sponsor. Uri kutobhadhara 500 and above for a sponsor of our function. Ndokuti ukwanise kupiwa 5 minutes idzodzo. Kana usina kubhadhara 500 and above, 5 minutes haukwanise kudziwana. Kune munhu handinyorera kana uripo palive, ndo answer yandokwanisa kukupa. And ndo answer yaunoudzwa nemunhu wese ari muorganizing team kuti it's 500 and above for a sponsor. Saka ungoti sponsor ka 500. 5 minutes tinokupa dzekumbotaura.
Let me take this opportunity as we close off to say thank you to Tanya, who has offered to dress Auntie Selina and SIS MELLY. You can also dress my event planner that is talking up. Tiri sort of the same size. We are proud plus size women. Thank you so much for those that are dressing us, those that have that are doing our makeup. A big thank you. Those that paid the hotel, a big thank you as well. Ayo tinongo kutenda ima diaries. If you have got any questions, do not hesitate to either get in touch with me, with the event plan, with your event planner, and Nanai, I see reasonable time yekufona. Oh, with Auntie Marita, excuse, it's the same time, reasonable time yekufona. You will be seeing us having a live again, teaching Goku update. But
yeah, we'll try once a month.
Yeah, to come and update you. But the tickets are still on sale. But you are now paying a full ticket, which is £55. And we've got tables as well for £40.
We've got now 5 tables left.
And 5 tables left. For those that are wanting to display their wares, 5 tables left. But my ticket, it's £55. Come, let's enjoy. Let's be ourselves. Let's make this night a night to remember. There will be soul music. There will be this. There will be that. We have got a popular DJ. Wekuti akatanga kujamba ma speaker. Sorry. But overall, let's be ourselves. Let's enjoy the night. It's a big thank you from me, Auntie Selina, and our event planner, Danai. Remember, I said the number is pinned below. A very good night to you all.
What 500 for what? It's 500 of being a sponsorship. 500 in the sponsorship.
500. Yakuita sponsor. Dio 500. Saka, for more information, you can get hold of us. Having said that, it's a very good night from me, and it was nice seeing you again. You will probably see me in a month's time. From me and Auntie Danai, it's a very good night, and take care.